Welcome back to the table, man, where everybody eat. If it's your first time rocking out with your boy, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and drop a like to help me out with the algorithm. Now, if you already been rocking out with me and you've been making some money, you know how we do, man. Drop a comment below saying everybody eat in 2025, man. Now we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna talk about STEM, ticker symbol STEM, STEM. Now, y'all familiar with this stock probably as it ran up from roughly lows of 30 cent, as you can see here, to highs of $1.68. Well, according to my text. But if you're familiar with the channel or you familiar with the Facebook group or the Discord, we call this stock out at about 40 cent, 50 cent. Also, if you got me on Twitter, you're familiar as well. Now, we was in this stock way before it ran up over $1. Excuse me one second. As you probably could tell from my voice, I am definitely still under the weather. I'm getting better, man, but still under the weather, man. So, yeah, we were covering this stock before the breakout over 82 cents, I believe, before it broke out over the $1.02 level I marked out or notified you guys about. So now with the weekday we had in the market on Wednesday, January 8th, because on Thursday, January 9th, the market was closed due to the passing of President Jimmy, or former President Jimmy Carter. I think that was his name. Correct me if I'm wrong. My bad. But on Wednesday, the overall market was weak. Not only quantum computing stocks because of what NVIDIA CEO said, but just the overall market, man. Once we couldn't break over 6,000 on the SPY or 21.5 on the NASDAQ, the market just seen weakness, man, from mega cap to small cap, you name it. So this stock here gapped down on Wednesday from $1.11 down to roughly $1. We just keep it there. But I notified everybody in the Discord. Speaking of the Discord, I'm currently running a 7-day trial on the Discord for any of you guys that are interested. The Discord is where I post alerts, post updates about stocks, definitely stocks that is on the YouTube channel, but also stocks that we are trading or that has a lot of interest from retail traders. So if you want to be in the know before I able to release a YouTube video, you may want to consider checking out the link in the description for the 7-day free trial for the Discord, as well as the link in the description for the Facebook group. But as you can see here, I believe I alerted everyone about STEM on Wednesday morning. I had alerted the group in the stock alert. I said STEM has pulled back to the perfect retest of 89 cent to 91 cent and is now sitting at previous supply zone of $1.01. And I told him you can also see the levels in the video, which is the video I made the day before the breakout. But as you can see here, we have these levels, which I got to change the color of that. But this green line is 90 cents. The gray line is 102. That's that range. We came down and we tested that 72-day moving average, which is around 84 cents. So you could look there and see I notified everyone in the Discord, although I wasn't able to get a YouTube video out to you guys in time. So again, link gonna be in the description below for the 7-day free trial. But the Patreon is going as low as $2 if you would like to support the Discord and be in on stocks that I'm watching, such as Nvidia below 142.50, 143.50. I'm bearish, but a hold or amount over 143, I'll consider waiting for a break and hold of 145 before going long. A break below 140, we're heading to that strong demand of 137. I may be getting a little greedy and anticipate a pullback to 132, if not 126 to 128. But right now, 137 is on heavy watch for NVIDIA. But the list could go on, man. Google, Amazon must mount 224 for any trend reversal. Possibility we takes 218 before heading back to 216. Worst case, we gap down from 216 to 212 before possibly going towards the gap of 208, which has been a key level since the break of 202. If everybody remember that on Amazon. Apple 242 is a must hold level, but 241 especially 240.50 rejections bring us down to 230. I must have been typing too fast that day, but you kind of get the gist. If we don't hold 242 and then we break below 240, $240.50, we could bring us down to 237, then down to that cycle level of 235. Anywho, let's get back to STEM. So STEM stock, if we zoom out on the chart here, so we can really see a few key levels, although I already just showed you the levels on Webull. At the end of the day, let's do a 15-minute. Not enough. So you know what? Let's do the 30-minute. All right, so 30 minutes shows us what I want to see. Now, that's that 74. If we don't hold 74 cents, 75 cents, if STEM happens to break below 78, then it's going to be a problem. But right now, currently in the pre-market, there's a big bounce on STEM as it is currently up 12% and is now trading at 93 cents in the pre-market at 4:06 a.m. Eastern Time. So that is definitely a good sign as we are now above this resistance of 91 cents. So just keep in mind that if we don't hold that, we will be going test 75 before going lower to test 72 to 68. And if that happens, I'll just personally wait for a gap fill maybe to 60 cents, man, and try my risk to reward ratio on that. I don't know if we had any news on STEM. I checked news out by going to FinViz. And the latest news we had on STEM would be on December 31st, 2024, where it was upgraded to a buy. So we have that information there. And as we see here, as of January 8th close, Wednesday, STEM is down 26% on the day, closed at 83 cents. And you can just look at the whole energy sector as a whole, man. OPTT, Ocean Power Technologies, down 24%, back at that key level of $1.07. To me, $1.05 is a nice entry. If it falls below that, look out for 98 cents. If it go below that, then it's going further. But OPTT is not a stock of concern right now. We are talking about STEM. So keep your eyes open once again to see how this acts in the pre-market and once market opens, because now it has came back down under that 91 cents and currently trading at 89 cents. So appreciate you guys for tuning in to update on STEM. Once again, their link will be in the description below for the 7-day free trial on the Patreon, as well as a link below for the Facebook group, Wake Up to Money. Thank you guys. Until next time, peace.